So I spend a little extra and I decided to stay at the Grand Sierra Resort here in Reno, Nevada. And I'm all ready, getting ready to go hit the slopes, and we got a problem. What the hell? I got no water. How do you not have water in a hotel? I don't think I'm gonna shower in that. No, I don't think I'm gonna take a shower today, Grand Sierra Resort. That doesn't look too appealing. What is that? Come on, man. So, the irony of this whole situation is that when I checked in yesterday, I had ski bag, boot bag, backpack with all my camera stuff, and then also a suitcase. And the guy asked me for an upgrade, I said no. He asked me for another upgrade, I said no, and I was a little irritated. So I think he purposely gave me a crappy room, number 788, which was all the way at the end of the hall, and I had to lug all of my stuff down the hall. So I started off mildly irritated because I think they did it on purpose. Fast forward, now that room is one of the ones that has this maintenance issue, and the other part to it is I never check out when I'm supposed to. I think it's a recommended time. I don't think it's an actual time. So I stayed 2.5 hours past the time I was supposed to leave, which is when this water incident occurred. So I immediately went to Twitter and Instagram, and I got a call from their promotions department, and they are granting me a free stay due to my troubles. It might be a little jerkish, but I got all of that because I stayed way over the time that I was supposed to be there. Whatever, I'll take it. All right, so anyways, we're in Reno and we are getting ready to go to Incline Village, stay up there for the next couple days, do some skiing at Squaw Valley, some cat skiing, and all the knuckleheads just got in at the airport, so they're gonna pick me up. That's it. Hey weirdos, say hi.
Hi.
Hi Eric.
Hello.
Chewy. Hey, quick update. So our Airbnb place does not have a kitchen. It does not have any chairs. It does not have a refrigerator.
It's got sleds.
What does it have?
Whiskey? No, that's ours.
break. Good morning. All right, so we are ready to rock and roll. We're hoping for snow, but unfortunately it's been raining all morning.
Watering.
And we had a little accident. So the Airbnb that we're staying at, we're not allowed upstairs, but we went upstairs.
Sorry.
And accidentally broke their heirloom mug. So all morning we've been on the internet trying to find a replacement, and I think we finally found it, but low inventory, and so now we're gonna have to make some phone calls to get one. I know it's super cheesy, but they actually made a big deal out of it, not to mess up any of their stuff. So anyways, hoping that it's snowing on the mountain, but we are heading out now. Not ideal weather conditions, but we're gonna make the most of it.
We going.
Ooh. All right, we're stuck here on the chairlift. It stopped raining and we got some snow. Hopefully it stays like this. Fingers crossed. Are they crossed? Does that look like they're crossed? It's less like skiing and more like swimming.
Quicksand. Oh, quicksand.
Still fun.
Still fun.
This rain is terrible. It's sticky. If I were to put a GoPro video up here, you would laugh and say, that's not extreme at all. You can see we got some walkers behind us. And the rest of the crew that decided not to come today, I think they're pretty happy about it. So, whatever. You can't complain when you're hanging out in Squaw Valley, skiing on a whatever day it is. But conditions are a little lame. Super wet out. It's all right. Still having fun.